you struggle with answering a question at first glance, then don't be afraid of using a different approach and trying to look at it from another perspective. So, let me explain what I mean. With question 4, you've got a code with an alphabet. So if these letters stand for this word, what do these letters stand for? So if you can't do it immediately just from looking at it, write it down. You know, if you can't do it mentally, do it physically. Write them out and see what you can find, you know, from doing that. A better example would probably be question 7. So if you can't tell with question 7 just from looking at it straight away, you know, then write them down, write out all the different combinations of words and see which one of those is going to make sense. Or you can look at the words that are in the brackets and see which of them are kind of the same word category. So you can see that mammal and reptile are both animal classifications, so you think, oh, that might have something to do with it. See how that combination works. So, you know, if you can't immediately think of it one way, try looking at it another way. Okay, so the next example we've got is question 10, and you've got a sentence with a couple of the words switched around. Sometimes it's really easy to tell straight away which words are in the wrong place. And if you're struggling with that, try to say the sentence out loud, because what your brain will probably do is try and correct it anyway. So you'll start to try saying it in the way that it should be, and you'll trip up because you're not reading it, you know, as it should be written. So try saying it aloud, and that will probably help you so much, because then you'll be able to identify which words are wrong and you'll be able to switch them round and get to the correct answer. So if you're struggling with a question, try looking at it from a different perspective. Try approaching it with a different method, and hopefully that will make answering it so much easier. Because not everyone does everything in the same way, so there are loads of different ways that you can come at a question. So if you're struggling one way, try another, and hopefully that will get you to the answer.